Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ofada stew using an easy method. First, gather your key ingredients: unripe bell peppers, Scotch bonnets, onions, and palm oil. You will also need your preferred protein like beef or shaki, boiled until tender. Don't forget the essential uru or fermented locust beans and ground crayfish to achieve that distinct, rich flavor. This simple approach ensures a delicious result every time. Next, let's prepare the pepper base. Combine your unripe bell peppers, Scotch bonnets, and onions in a blender. It is very important to blend these roughly without adding any water to achieve a coarse texture. This specific consistency is absolutely crucial for the authentic feel and taste of Ofada stew. A smooth blend will not give you the desired outcome, so keep it chunky. Now for the cooking process. Heat about 1½ cups of palm oil in a pot over medium heat until it is very hot and slightly bleached, turning a lighter color. Carefully add 2 sliced onions and your roughly blended pepper mixture to the hot oil. Stir continuously and fry this mixture for about 20 to 25 minutes until it is quite dry and the oil clearly floats on top. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your pre-boiled protein, the uru, and the ground crayfish to the fried pepper base. Stir everything thoroughly to combine. Season with salt and a small amount of seasoning cube to taste, adjusting as needed. Let the stew simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Serve hot with rice or plantains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.